This conference will now be recorded.
Sir, you are not audible.
I told yesterday, today I'm going to discussing some of the MCQs belongs to exam point of view and also get an experience of this. There's one of the question where the phrase like buy now, which guides to the user on what he should do in the next we called signal to action, click to action, call to action, sign to action. Use your chart and type the answer if that among the four option whichever is correct. Yes, the answer is call to action. That's correct. Next, second question. If there is a compared to the traditional marketing and digital marketing, so saying that one is less expensive, then is more measurable, then highly scalable, than all of the above. Compared to traditional media marketing, then digital media marketing is. What will be the answer? So all of the above. Yes. Then next, when we have bidding, CPC stands for, used for. When do we use this? Is it for display network, or is it for search network? Is it for video ads, or is it for banner ads? Answer is in the bidding. CPC is used for what? Displaying display network or search network, video ads, banner ads. Among the four, which one is correct? All of the above. Mhm. Search. Next, shopping ads are also called as. Is it is it for the stock ads, or is it for the product listing ads, or is it for the vertical ads, or is it for the horizontal ads? So find out the right answer here. We have some followings which is considered. Yes, that's correct. Considered as a permission based marketing, where we will ask the permission. Number one, it's a general one like email, then pop up, then next we have a cold telecalls, next we have a Facebook marketing. Permission marketing is email marketing. Next, advertisers who pay for every 1000 impression is referred as. Number 1, CPC. Number 2, CPM. Number 3, I'll go for CPL. Next, I'll go for CPV. Do you tell me which is our answer? 1000 impression. CPM. The answer is CPM. Correct. Next, the main objective of branding is which one of the following? Number 1, this is number 1, to have a potential customer recognize your logo and marketing materials. Number 2, this is your second one, promotional materials that match and also coordinates. Next, number 3 is going to have a unique tagline. Next, Last one, to create a recognitions and also trust. What is the main objective of the brand? To objective to Okay, the answer is to create a recognitions and also trust. Next, SEO stands for. Option A, like you have a site engine optimization. Next, we have a search engine optimization. Next, site efficiency optimization. Yes, the answer is search engine optimization. Next, remarketing means it is targeting the ads to the people who have already visited. That is number option A, your website or your YouTube channels, other websites, social media sites, then competitors' websites multiple times. Social media sites, that also applicable. And one more, your websites and also YouTube channels. Next, advertiser might choose to advertise on your YouTube if the goal is to. Number one, so some specific demographics targeting methods using the sound and also the motion. Next, we have a reach mobile customers looking for nearby product and services. Next, drive the sales to their online stores. Next, reach the customers looking for products and its services. Specific demographics. Have you seen that? So select specific demographics targeting method using the sound and motion. Correct that answer. Next, which is a benefit of advertising in online? Saying that increase your position in the organic result. Next, you have the second one, make money on showing the ads on your website. Next, reaching the peoples who like interested in what you are advertising. Next, automatically collecting the informations and also potential customers. May I know? Yes, reach the people. Next, you can use the keyword planner to identify like which text ads are performing based on your keywords. Next, we have the number of negative keywords you should use. Next, web pages where your ads can appear. Based on the keywords. Next, amount of traffic potential keywords might get. Answer is what? Option D, the amount of traffic potentials. If you want to direct the people to specific web page on your website from your ads, you can create ads that uses previous visit extension, number one. Then number two is site link extension. Number three, call out extension. So number four, location extensions. The answer is site link extension. Okay, next we have a standard ad made up of number one, headline and image and description. Option number two, headline and image, display URL and description. In the third line, in the third option, a headline and description text. And fourth option is display URL and description text. What will be the answer here? When you create a text ads, which is most important, headline and description? Headline and description, not URL. The answer is number three, headline and description. Next, uh, if I take your ad can show the Google search network when someone searches for the term that are similar to your website. Next, add text. Number 3, keywords. Number 4, placement. Answer is keywords. Next, which network, social media network does not have a dislike, where you can give like and dislike? One is in Facebook, one is in YouTube, one is in Instagram, then one is in Twitter. Where do you can give a dislike? Yes, you're all active in the YouTube, so YouTube has dislike. Correct. Next, what action you can take on the Facebook post? When I talk about option A, post, sorry, dislike. Number 2, like. Number 3, I can go for share. Then comment. What action you cannot take on Facebook post? Dislike. Correct. Mobile site need to be load quickly, then have a large buttons for easy navigation, short and clear menu options. Next, all of the above. Yes, the answer is all of the above. Next, if you are a little bit okay, now we'll take a practical example. When you are recruiting recruitment agency, if you are in, then want to generate a lead for a specific job, so which social media platform do you used to prefer in the first position? Number 1, so it's going to be a Facebook. Number 2 is in LinkedIn. Then number 3 is a Twitter. Yes, the answer is correct. Your LinkedIn. Answer is LinkedIn. Next, when you have a brand, brands can choose to use social media. Number 1, a free medium. Next, number 2, a paid medium. Number 3 is both. Then we have a none of above. Yes, it's both. Next, what does engagement on social media means? Saying this, interaction between the people and the brands on social networks. Next, we have a it refers to how often brand post on social media. The next refers how often people post on brands through the social media. Next, it is how it's an organic and also paid forms of the brand's social media strategy strategy content interact. Yes, it is. One is brand post, but and also it is an interaction between the people brands on the social network. The answer is correct. Next we have, suppose if you would like to like your ad to show on certain sites across the internet, you can add these websites as: number one, the placement; number two is topics; number three is keywords; four, affinity audience; answer is the placement. Which client you would advise to use that radius targeting? So I have this option 1, option 2, option 3, then option 4. Wants to wants to exclude her ads from the certain cities. E-commerce business delivers nationwide. Then wants to promote. Yeah, last one is services, like whose services can reach the customers within 30 miles. Which client would you advise to advertise on Google search network? Now I'll be taking, wants to reach the people watching the YouTubes. Next, we have a second one, wants to reach out the people on the social media interested poetry. Next, number 3, wants to reach the people browsing the travel website about the China. Then who wants to reach the people who are looking for the plumbing services. The search networks. Option is, sorry, Yes. Mm, Search network advised to use the advertise on the Google search network. Yes. Option is C. That has to travel in the website about China. Is it correct? C. This is the answer. Okay. Next. B2B business. B2B business. Facebook. Then you have a Twitter. Then you have a LinkedIn. Then you have a YouTube. So which network site which allow you to make business to business? Yes, correct. So now you check the answer here. A company just created a new Facebook group with the objective of building the niche, highly engaged community. Which of the following the best way practice would you suggest they follow? Number one, consistently drive the engagement and also conversations between the group members and moderate effectively prevent that people from the spamming the group and leverage group people insight and all of the above. Do you know which is the answer? So all are applicable. So which of the following is the best way to practice when they created a group? If they wanted to highly engage, make engage in the community, all three options are applicable. So leverage group insight and prevent the spamming for from the prevent the people from the spamming the group. Okay, and conversations between the group members and drive the engagement. So then all of the options are applicable. Next we have one more. Which of the following is the best practice to follow while using the Facebook as a marketing channel for your company? Saying that post valuable content consistently, run the contest to engage your audience, then use automation tool complete that completely automate your responses to the messages on your Facebook and all of the above. So which are the best way marketing channels for your company? Best practice to follow: post valuable content consistently. The option is A. Now, when you have this type of question like FMCG company is detailing the content strategy for its LinkedIn page, which of the following content strategies categories should they ideally avoid posting to their LinkedIn page? Articles and tips on career advancement, post on company culture and also a life at the company, controversial post and industry trends, and also starts the data. Yes, it is correct. Option C. Next, we have one more here. A company A, which is into the residential real estate, wants to use the LinkedIn to generate inquiries for its premium luxury apartment community in Mumbai. What LinkedIn ad targeting option would you recommend it to them? Option A, LinkedIn ads work well for B2B but cannot used effectively for B2C companies. Use job title targeting to reach the professionals in the Mumbai who can have afford the luxury apartments to be sold, so on so on. Next, target NRI from the Mumbai and target NRI from the Bangalore. So using the job title, they can target the professionals in the Mumbai and they can get. Yes, the answer is correct. When you have a company A planning to launch the contest to drive the engagement on Instagram, so what tactics would you recommend it to them to help increase the reach of the contest and also drive the participations? Number one, schedule contest teaser post in advance to build their interest. Number two, use the relevance contest related to the hashtags like hash contest and also contest alert. Promote the contest post using promotions for the large reach and all of the above. The answer is all of the above for the previous one. Now you have one more questions. When a company A sells a fashion accessories in online, their target is to target audience comprises largely of human in the age of between six in the age group between 16 to 35 in tier 1 and also the tier 2 cities. They want to initiate their social media marketing efforts. Which of the platforms would you be the most relevant for them to be active in on? Facebook, Instagram, sorry, not Instagram, YouTube, Google and LinkedIn. Yes, I can suggest it is YouTube. Okay, Facebook is also okay. Facebook. Next, we have this type of question. Pick a business that you feel that does not have to use ad scheduling unless their reporting data proves otherwise. One is Domino's Pizza, then a local general physician clinic, and Amazon, and none. Yes, physician clinic that does not have to use that any ad scheduling unless they're reporting the data prove otherwise. Okay, this is the one. Facebook runs. on automatic placement like number one, Facebook newsfeed, Instagram, Messenger, and all of the above. Where the Facebook ads runs on automatic placement like answer is all of the above. Next, company A is a real estate developer and also using the Facebook and drive that engagement and build top of mind recall against its a target audience. Which of the following post category should they use ideally? Not post their page. It's two. Often to get the best engagement to reach. Number one, home buying tips and also other relevant informations for home buyers. Then unique home decor ideas and post directly promoting their project and fun and humorous content which their audience would relate it to. Okay, the answer is correct. When you have this type of question now, a company A making a Facebook page content strategy and is trying to figure out how often they should post to their page. Which of the following is the best approach? Post twice a day, post once in a day, then post only when when they have a high quality content to share. Quality beats quantity and also quantity any day. Post once in a week. Trying to figure out uh, they should post their page. So saying that C, yes, correct. Then Facebook ad consists how many stages? Answer is 3. Next, condition to get the custom URL in YouTube. Which one is correct? Minimum 1000 subscribers, minimum 100, sorry, maximum 100 subscribers, minimum 100 subscribers, maximum 1000 subscribers to make your custom URL. So minimum 100 subscriber is required. Then what is the eligibility to YouTube monetization? How much subscriber is needed for the monetization? 1000 subscriber is required. Next, bidding in the Google Ads happen at the level. What at the level? Campaign level, keywords level, ad copy level, or anytime. bidding is going to be happen, which is the stage, which level is going to be applicable for the bidding. That is in the keyword level. Okay, then what is the purpose of the pin action in your company profile? Attach the post to a specific demographic. Make your post important post stay at the top of your page. Highlight important stories by making them larger and more visible. Attach a post to a specific interest. Correct. The answer is B. Then CPM stands for, is it 1000 impression or 1000 minute, 1000 click, or cost per minute? 1000 impression. Which of the following is true when you want to schedule ads to run at certain times on certain days of a week? Option A, you must use lifetime budget, you must use daily budget. Then this is not possible with the Facebook ads. You must pause and also start your ads regularly. So we wanted to have a daily budget. Next, the Trinity Jewelry store just started selling a diamond jewelry. She wants to show image ads announcing that new collections to the people who are browsing the website about the diamond jewelry. Which campaign type is going to good fit for them? Number one, display network, shopping network, search network, and video ads. So the answer is display network. Google search network shows your ads when someone search for terms that are similar to your dash. Option A, website, keywords, placement, and ad text. search network which follows keywords. Next, sorry. Suppose when you have a small business which is going to provide service to a particular area of the city, then which type of location targeting you should prefer? Countrywide location, city level location targeting, or target a radius, or state the level location targeting? So target in radius, the answer. Now the Sarah manages a local gym and also running an ads to get a more free trial membership. Then what could she include in her ad text? One is add call to action like sign up for free trial, add a call to action like visit our gym now. Next, a prominent headline like trial membership available, then none. What will be the next one? The answer. She can go for the free trial. Next, we have among the below mentioned scenarios, which client should advertise on the Google search network? Who wants to reach the people who are looking for the plumbing services? Next, who wants to reach the people browsing the personal development website and also business processes about the business success? Who wants to reach the people who are watching the YouTube videos? And none of these. So answer is correct. Plumbing services. Next, which bidding strategy should Ajay use if his goals to get more people to call her local catering businesses? CPV, CPM, CPA, CPC. Bidding strategy to get more people to call. To get more people to call, click. CPC. Google My Business account can be linked to Google Ads, Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter. Answer is So check your chat box. Do you able to receive that questions? So from your clipboard, do copy paste. Is it okay? Next,
So I'm not able to copy.
not able to copy, or else try to download the chart if possible.
Sir, can you share it in WhatsApp?
Mm, okay, immediately you copy that, then I'll deleting from this. So wait a minute, still is loading. So copy that. Once it is delivered, so now have a 5 minutes of time. We'll start LinkedIn marketing. I will brief about that. So LinkedIn marketing, which involves LinkedIn platform to connect the potential clients, partners, and also employees to promote your brand and also businesses drive the business growth. It includes the activities creating a company page, sharing the content, running ads, and also engaging with your audience. This is what LinkedIn marketing. Why do we use this LinkedIn marketing so is important? Number, we have a professional audience, then we can generate the lead generation and also brand awareness. Networking is possible, and also we can go for the content distribution. There will be a question, sir, what exactly the professional audience, like LinkedIn is a network designed for the professionals who are making it a prime platform for business to business marketing. Next, we have a lead generations, like highly effective for the generating the leads, and particularly for business to business companies. And when you create an awareness, brand awareness, consistent activity on the LinkedIn, helping them to build and also maintain the brand awareness among the professional audience. When it comes to human network and professional network, allows that businesses to connect with the different industry leaders and potential customers, sorry, potential partners, and also the talented job seekers. When it comes to content distributions, then it is an excellent platform for sharing the industry relevant content, which can uh, position on your brand uh, as a thought of as a thought leader. Then there is a question, sir, how does it works LinkedIn marketing? You have to create and also optimize your page, company page, like profile information and visual content, like use that professional images and company logos. And next, we have a company profile, and complete your what is that, relevant informations and also keywords to create company page. And also optimize, build your network. Connections and groups are important to build your network. Connections like industry professionals, potential clients, and other businesses. Then group, LinkedIn groups related to the industry experts, and expand that your reach. Company what is planning. And next, it's coming for content sharing, post, and also the LinkedIn articles. Post regularly, you have to post, create a blog, articles, and industry news, whichever is regularly sharing the valuable contents, that all will become a post. Next, we have that articles. We have to write and publish that long form of articles directly on the LinkedIn, so to showcase your expertise. Next, engagement, interactivity, and respond. Quick, quick respond and also comment messages for foster relationship. Engage with your audience by liking, commenting, and also sharing that interactivity. That comes to the engagement. Then finally, there will be a LinkedIn ads, sponsored content, text content, and also sponsored in email. Sponsored content, like promote your post to a larger audience. Text ads, brief, display the brief ads on LinkedIn sidebars. Then we have a sponsored email, in mail, send personalized messages to LinkedIn users inboxes. And then finally, we have analytics and also optimization to monitor the performance and also adjust the strategy. Look at this. This is the first page when you open LinkedIn web page and asking for login. So sign in your account. So I'm just using that. So started with Google, entered your username and password. Then it's going for verification. Then after the verification, once it is created your account, then asking for the country and other information. So specify that country and city. and you click next, and asking for the job title. If you are a student, you select as a student. Okay, then enter your school degree, specific specialization, whatever is applicable. So I have entered Mount Carmel College, so Palace Road something and all. Then Bachelor of Degree Accounting and Finance, here you start, so on so on, and you click continue. After this, then you go for, are you looking for a job, so say yes, or not now, so select. And what kind of job are you looking, then you can skip and you can press enter key. And share with your recruiters, yes, done. So switch on. Then next, job title account executive, and start with the Bangalore, so job locations. And again click next here, or if you don't want, you turn off that. So then you continue. Then this is the first page after creating the basic information. Then look at this, there will be a option menus. Okay, home. Then next you have a my network, job, messages and notifications. So select the home, and asking for the informations. Look at this, there is a profile image and also cover image you have to upload. So click on that and upload whatever the cover image is required, and enter your location, introduction part, your name. Okay, then headline. Okay, I've entered Mount Carmel, Palace Road, so on so on. Then industry is accounting, then you click save. Then go for the profile picture section, then add about you. Then if it's required, you entered. Then go for articles, then voluntary experiences, then skills, then patents, then carousel. You have to update one by one. After adding this much of information, that your profile strength, it started in the beginner level, intermediate level, and in the higher level. So still is not crossed. Okay, so it has to get all stars. Then you start edit your public profile and also URL. So if you wanted to check in this, make ensure if somebody has taken or not, you try with the same name. If somebody has taken, then you have to give some other name, and you create your own name and also name spacing, and you click save. If that available, then you continue in the next area. And sign in to connect. When you click for the sign in to connect, people, they can search, and also you can create your own network here. Click for this option. Okay, start with your MCC digital raj at the rate of gmail.com, something like this, and you click connect, and connect with the other person ID. Click allow them, then it's get connected. Okay, and also you can send a request for follow or something and all. So click one by one to subscribe and also join with the group. Okay, continue one by one. Next, once it's get connected, so you will be getting like this type of option. In the arrow button, it's showing that it is a third plus, is a subscriber of subscriber, like is a third person. So something like Tamara, he's a friend of his. So I'm when I'm when I'm following her, then he's going to be is going to be displayed like this way. Okay, and you can send a message to them also. Next, you have a manage of your network, like connections. Okay, you can take one more connectivity, and you can take account executive. Then take the filter option, where you wanted to have like most relevant, the job wise and anytime. Then executive experience level executive. then company Salesforce, and TrashCon, then interview Kickstart, then Sizzle. Select the filter option, then job type is full time, then go for online offline. So within 5 miles, 8 kilometers, and also industry if you are looking for, you select, and what is a job function, that also specify with the multiple option of the filter, and you click show result finally, which will give you the jobs option. Okay, see that in the arrow mark, full time is displaying now. Then if you click and select whichever option you want, again you click back that home button and start creating post. So in this post, as I told you, anyone plus Twitter, so select whichever platform you want, and also add from the option and share this, and also you can create a poll. Okay, so ask multiple questions, say yes or no, and you click done, click OK, add an option, 1 week, 2 weeks, so and so on, then post it, then you can see that. Okay, this is how the post poll will be creating. Now come to the work part. In the work part, here we have product wise. Now we can create our own page, create a company page. So click on this, then take small business, medium to large business, whichever manner you want. So select this small business, then when you click, then enter your page identity. Okay, and enter the website, then company details. Okay, then upload the profile image, then tagline of the company, then you create a page. Next you have here, if you are not active more on your profile, personal profile, not allow you to create a page. Make ensure you're supposed to be active in the page. Okay, then come to here, regularly you have to post and people has to be connected. Okay, then again click add more interest. Okay, I wanted to increase the bar here, so I am selecting all this option. Now could you say this, what happened here, it is reached that the intermediate level, so the great progress. Okay, then next you have a option here to identify. Next, if in the bottom of this area you can upload the photo, so look at this. Okay, then can customize. Okay, same profile, create a page. After that, hashtag. Okay, so next you have a newsletters in this job net, my networks. So click on this, nothing is there. You follow the same methods, and you create me, like in the personal profile, you sign out and use your personal mail id, and again login. After login, you can see your business page. So build your business page and enter location, first post, description, so on so on. Okay, until it reaches the last star, last tick mark. So fill up all your details, then look at this, share trending that articles, then number of visitors, updates, followers. Okay, and take that hashtags, poll. Okay, then sometimes you will get advertise options within the work button itself, but right now it's not there. Then you can create your own advertisement. Could you see this in the right corner of this web page? We have advertise, so click on that advertise, create an account. So enter account name, currency, and associated with the linked page with your account, then click save. Then see the campaign gets started. Campaign offer run continuously from the start date, and also you can schedule. Then start the date and budget you fix, and you click save. Select the campaign, then it started. Now create campaign again if you want. Click next. So what is the objective of the selection? Awareness. Okay, and here March and March year end offer, then brand awareness, and start one by one. Target the audience where you wanted to take, exclude and also include. Target your audience, narrow audience attributes like company, demographics, education, interest, right? So select. Then member interest also you can select, general interest, health, whichever ads you are creating, target them and add it. Next, ad format, it's a single image, carousel, video ads. So whichever ad type you are creating, add that and link the web. And placement and budget. What is the budget you are spending on daily, monthly? So that you select. Next, lifetime budget also it's available. So that not going to be preferable one. And conversion tracking like bidding strategy, and finally associate with the company page. So confirm that page associations if that available. If that not available, then click the next button for the conversion tracking. So click next and save it. So this is how the campaign can be executed, and in the right hand side you have all the details what and all we have. So I'll be sharing this copy, so you also try by creating this. Is there any doubts?
Excuse me, sir. Sir, do we have
Yeah.
a test tomorrow?
Yes, ma'am. Tomorrow you have.
At what time?
I hope it's the same time between 6 to 7, 7:30. I will share the link between 6 to 7:30. First 5 minutes I will take your call. Okay.
Yes, sir. Thank
Then
you.
I will share your I will share the link. Then there only you can write up and submit the answer.
Okay, sir.
Sir, the questions are gonna be MCQs, right?
Yeah, yeah, MCQs. So check that LinkedIn marketing. Did you receive in the WhatsApp group? So you also try with the practical things that was taking
Sir,
lot of
is
time.
this
That
the last class, sir?
next this is
Repeat,
there
sir.
for tomorrow is exam. This is the last class for you. So I would request you all in the WhatsApp group. How many of you attended? You write your name and write the dates, and you send me that. So based on that, I comes to know that how many people you have attended all classes. Write the date, write your name in Excel sheet itself. You write and you send me that. I will show you one format. So wait a minute. So here you write your college name, MCC, next your student name, like for example Supriya. Okay, write the day one. So I'm going to take the day one, but in place of day one you write something like today's date, August 2024. If you are attended, then write attended as mark that as P. So like this, take other rest of the days, how many days you have attended, and mark. Okay, except Sunday and also Saturdays. Except those days, you write remaining days me individually and save this as Supriya itself, so that I can give attendance for them. If you not send, then attendance will not be counting before take up the exam.
Excuse me, sir.
Tell ma.
Sir, I think except Saturdays and Sundays, there was another day also that we didn't have class. That was during
That that
some festival, Muharram.
that you write that holiday, HLD.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, I will send you that format in WhatsApp group itself. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Check that file.
Sir, should each student send separately, sir?
Suppose still if you have any doubts, you ask me in the WhatsApp group. I will help you, and I'll text you. Okay. So all the best for your exam. So you prepare yourself. Most of the whatever I've discussed in the same pattern and same what I can say. Most of the questions arises. So you go through that once and do well. Okay. So see you
Okay,
all.
sir.
Good night.